أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Citation has always been a problem for research scholars. Sometimes it's a tiring job to perform, otherwise, sometimes it becomes a boring job. This session will introduce you to bibguru, a website that can help you with your citations. What it does is it provides you a very clean and simple way to create your citations. You can create your citations in different styles, and there are some popular guides as well. The link will be shared in the description, and then you can have your references in this style and export it in different format. Now let's say I've got these references here, and the problem I'm facing is some of the references are in different styles, while some of the references do not have the relative or required details. Look at this. Now, in order to solve this problem, there are two ways. I go on Google Scholar, search each of the reference again and again, copy it and paste it onto my Word document, but I've got around 4 pages of references. Now, an easier way could be that what if I've got a software that can transform all these into a proper APA style for me? And for those references that I am missing information, what I'll do is I can search it on that particular platform. Now, bibguru can do it for you. So the first step is it will not accept the document in the Word form. So what I need to do is I will have to convert it into Bibtex. How to do it? Let's say I'll copy all my references here. So copied. And here is the website that can help you convert. I'll share the link as well. Just paste it and click this pause 89 references. Now your references are created. All these, let's get the Bibtex file. And here is my Bibtex file. What I'll do is I'll open bibguru, and you will have by default one project created. If not, just create new project, click upload file by just simply clicking these 3 dots here, upload file, and here is my file. Now here is the file completely loaded. Now let's compare it with the original Word file. Look at this. This first reference from Wine Journal of Information and Knowledge Management. It was, I guess, in Howard style. Now it is in a different style than I want. And look at this here. Automatically converted into APA 7th edition. You can have other styles as well if you want. For now, I'm just going to stick with APA. Look at this. All with references. If I can move down. Now look at this here. Here is a reference. Obviously, I think they are repeating. So you can remove the references as well if they are repeating. Yes. So just remove it. And this one is fine. Again, this one is the same one. So we can remove it as well. Now another advantage that bibguru can offer is, let's say I've got a paper, and the problem is I haven't got the full reference for it. It may be a book like this. You can search different books here. You can search websites. You can search articles. Let's say I'm searching for a particular book that I want to add as a reference. So it's a book by, let's say, Business Research Methods. Make sure your spellings are correct. And let's say it was by Zygmunt. So you can add it as well. So once you search, you can search the book and the book will be added. Let's say I've got another article that I've recently cited in my work and I want to cite that reference as well. So what I can do is, let's say I know the title of the article. So once you're writing, it's searching as well. So sometimes the process can become a bit slower, revisiting the relationship between, let's say, corporate social responsibility, and here it is. revisiting the relationship between corporate social responsibility and organizational performance, the mediating role of team outcomes. Now you want to add this, you simply click the add button. Let's say I've added it. Now the source has been added to the project. Where was it added? Let's go L, because the first author last name was Latif. Here it is, revisiting the relationship. Now again, you can search by author name, you can search by title, you can search by identifier and add those into your list of references. Now another thing that you can do is, let's say we are missing on some references or details of the reference. For example, let's say this is a review of leadership attributes. Let's say I'm missing quite some detail on this one. So let's copy this title, put it in the article, because this is an article and it's now searching. And here it is. So it's already in your project. Let's go to show. Here it is, the complete one, because I think I've already edited it. So now you can delete these incomplete ones. So this is how, look at this, source deleted. Now this is what you can do to improve the information or add more relevant information. Obviously you can delete the duplicates by just looking at them or going through the document. I'm not sure if it deletes the duplicates on its own. There are a number of duplicates here. Now again, this was for articles. You can search books as well, you can search websites as well and add those references. You can add other type of references as well. For example, go to source and it could be any other source. Just provide the information, it will create the reference for you and then add it to the project. Now you can have different types of views like this, or now this is bibliography and in-text references. So this is how you can obviously just click on it and in-text citation, copy it to clipboard. You can copy it to clipboard, you can delete it if there are duplicates. Obviously it is sorted in the list, so it is much easier to delete the duplications. Again, once you have completed all the references, put them in required style, updated the necessary details, you can simply go in here and export it in your Word document. And once you export it, you simply can paste it onto your own paper or thesis. So I found this website quite helpful, although a bit slower at times, but it is quite a handy website when it comes to references. Thank you very much.